Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Its name is MyWeb, and guys, in this video I am going to download some other contents like some CSS files, Bootstrap, OWL casuals file and jQuery files etc. So now let's go to the browser. That's our browser, and now first of all I am going to the getbootstrap.com for download the Bootstrap file. As you can see, it's a version 4 beta, so I'm using that the latest version of Bootstrap 4. So I download it and click on the download file, and that's I'm going to the local disk E in the jam folder. Here is our htdocs, and that's the ecom folder. Okay, now I'm save it at here. Okay, so it's still downloading. I think it's taking some time for that. My network is going so down. Yeah, it's done. Now the next thing is when you go to the google.com and type in the search box OWL casual. Okay, now the first option of that home all casual 2.2.1, click on that. Maybe in the future the version is changed, so don't worry about that. That's all the contents and the documentations are available at there. Okay, if you want to see some demo of that OWL casual, so click on that demo, and that's the basic responsive center merge. So I'm click on the responsive, and as you can see that's the next option, and it's also draggable. Okay, and it's also responsive. Okay, now so now I'm going to the home option and download that in our folder. So I click on the folder. Okay, yeah, it's give me some option for that. Now I save it in our ecom root folder. Okay, save it. Now the next thing is time to download the jQuery file. Okay, now jQuery.com. Okay, and click on the download jQuery 3.3.1. okay, and as you can see that's the download the compressed production jQuery 3.3.1. so I click and open a new tab. Okay, that's it, your jQuery file is here. So I press the Ctrl S button for save into the my JS file folder. Okay, and change the name of that jQuery.js. okay, I click on the save. When I open my folder and go to the directory of that ecom folder, as you can see ecom. Okay, and here is our jQuery.js file. Okay, now the next thing is extract the bootstrap folder, zip file, and set up the bootstrap files in different folders. So I extract at here, I click on the extract here option, and that is our folder. Where is that? Yeah, that's the bootstrap 4.0, sorry for that. Now I'm opening in the new window. Okay, and when I go to the dist folder, okay, there is a lot of files at here available here. So I'm going to the only on the dist folder and go to the CSS file and select the bootstrap.min.css file and copy that. Okay, and in the CSS file I paste that. Okay, or you can nothing to change that. Oh yeah, the bootstrap grid.css, so I copy that into the mood.css. okay, and now in the JS file and back, yeah, and select the whole three JS file from this JS folder. So bundle.js, it's a bundle.min.js. So okay, and the bootstrap.js file, or you can choose the minified version of that bootstrap.min.js. So select and that select. Okay, so I think it's done of the bootstrap folder, so I select and delete that folder, and yeah, and also and delete that zip file of that bootstrap. Okay, now it's a time to the OW casual, so I extract that it here. Okay, and now I'm opening the new window. Okay, okay, and I'm going to the dist folder. Okay, and go to the assets. Okay, so in the assets folder we have some CSS file of that, so I select the whole folder, okay, sorry, whole file, and move into the CSS file. Okay, now go back, click on the go back and select on this two files, any one file, all.casual.js or a minified. I selected both for using that. Okay, now I think we don't need to this folder, so I delete that and also delete. The both files are delete. Okay, the one more thing for bx slider, because we need a dynamic bx slider. I'm to set that slider folder. Okay, like this one. When you go to the demo file of that demo homepage, so owl, yeah, okay. So as you can see, it's our slider which is not right now in the dynamic, but in the future video I am making this dynamic. So I'm going to the bx slider website, bxslider.com, and download this folder. So I click on the install, okay, and download the jquery.bxslider.zip right here. Okay, now I save into the root folder of ecom, save it. Okay, and now I'm again go back to our owl, sorry, ecom root folder. Okay, what's happening at there? Okay, so yeah, okay, our download is done. Now I close it, close it, close it, close it. Yeah, now I'm extract again the bx dot slider, extract here and open it in new window. Okay, and when I go to the dist folder, here is a lot of files. So again I select the images file and also this .css file, that's css, and move into the css folder. Okay, and that's our jquery.bx slider. So again I select that, anyone. Okay, you don't need to both for that, so I click the minified version of that and in the js folder. Okay, I close it. Now I delete that .bx slider zip file. Okay, so we have some css files for bootstrap, jquery, bx slider and other casual themes. So I delete that. I only want some minified of that file. Okay, that's okay, everything is going good. Yeah, and also only need in .min. Okay, so here is our some bootstrap, jquery, bx slider and some owl .min css file. Okay, go back, and in the js folder we have the js files of bootstrap and jquery and other owl files. So I hope you learned how to download and set up your file in your folder. In the next video, I am set up your all the files in the index.php. Okay, so take care, bye bye, and stay with me. Happy coding.